What is up, YouTube? It's your boy Stevie the Valley Grommer. Today's episode is going to be a short one. You can tell by the number on the side. I just want to say big shout out to everybody who subscribed, to everybody telling their friends and family, to everybody talking and blowing this channel up. Blow this channel up! I'm totally stoked. I hope you guys are too. I appreciate all the thumbs up and the likes. Remember to hit that bell for another episode. But what I want to do is do a Q&A. So by the time I'm posting this, I want everybody and anybody, whoever, if you're reading this for the first time or you just found the channel or you've been watching since the beginning, but put a question down below and I'll make a video answering all the questions that you questioned me on. That makes any sense. Just so, in case you want to get to know me a little better, or the background of the bikes I have and all that kind of stuff. Also, channel update. We're going to be working on the Shadow. I'm making a new little series on basic maintenance. We're doing a new chain. I'm doing new tires, fuel filter, spark plugs on this as well. Similar to the Fury. This time it's going to be on the Shadow. I'm going to powder coat a couple pieces that have rust, make it black to match the frame. And we're going to get ready to sell this this girl here because the goal is to get the Rebel 1100. So whatever I get from this will be a down payment for the new bike. That way I can have even more content. I'm a little bit behind. Also, the Fury is at the dyno still. It's been a couple weeks. That's being worked on. I should hear from him a little bit. That's on hold because I don't have it. So yeah, that's all I want to say. Thank you everybody for subscribing. At this video, leave a comment below, and then I'll make a next video, like I mentioned before, answering all your questions. There's no more. All right, go watch another video or something else, or turn me off right now. I don't know. Do whatever you want. As per usual, y'all have a good one. Peace.